Hi guys, I thought I'd give you a sneak peek of our first knife that we've ever done. We're calling it the MS6. Got a 6-inch blade. This one's cerakoted in black with front swedge, chamfering, milled jimping. I'll show you a stainless one that might come through a little bit better. Um, 3D contours on the grips with hidden lanyard. Um, Wound up doing some different lanyard colors. I was a huge fan of the orange. Those in real life, they just pop. Right now, we got about 200 of the blades from heat treat, vacuum furnace, cryo treatment, double drawn, targeting about a 60 to 62 Rockwell and some AEBL. Went ahead and put some chamfering on the inside because as a machinist, I was taught to always chamfer any edge that might be offensive to the hand, even if it's going to be ultimately covered with grips. Speaking of grip, we did a bunch of different colors and experimented with some different textures. On that one, we're calling it the tank tread. Super aggressive on the side, and it's just not going anywhere, no matter how you grab that. We also did some that we're calling the tractor tread. It's actually pretty smooth, but just gives you a little bit more texture. We ultimately need to decide what colors we want to put on the knife. The OD green, I think, looks good. The earth brown's not bad. Got the solid orange, orange black. The royal blue I was a big fan of, but I know a lot of guys use that on trainer blades. So let me know what you think on that one. I think that one actually looks great on the stainless blades as well. And then the day glow is a little bit controversial, but you won't lose that knife in the woods. One thing that we're really proud of is the Kydex retention. If you wanted a little too looser or tighter, you just adjust that knob, and that'll go. But it's pretty stiff. There, it would just pop out. Oh, we should do a rattle test. The other way, just the slightest little bit. This was our first knife. One thing we wanted to do was a coin. The MS6 on the back side. I'll show you the MS5. Right now, I just got a prototype. We just got one of them made. Um, it's actually close to an inch and a half shorter than the 6-inch. Similar look, similar milled jimping. That comes through. CNC surface ground. I'll give you a sneak peek of our hatchet. We're thinking about calling it the Snaggletooth. Beautiful milling, perfect chamfers on the inside. I've not seen the tomahawks with jimping, but it gives it a unique unique look. One thing that's real cool is you can choke up on it. There's a few different grips. It's got the finger groove there, 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 and there. So you got a few different ways that you could grab a hold of that. Again, CNC surface ground, CNC milled. On the milling, we took extra care to make those lines start and stop in like a perfect sequence that you won't actually see a cutter mark on it just because of the way they're machined. Variable radius. There we've got about a 25 thou radius, if I'm not mistaken. Then it blends up to closer to a 50 thou. So everything's real smooth. What do you think of the name Snaggletooth? Does that work?